I repeat for those who just joined the meeting. First question is, the music master is making lovely music. Suggest one sentence which shows this thing, okay? So, yes, Chehek.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, at page number 23, second line.
Page number 23, second line. Okay, let me open that. Please speak up the line better.
The music master's notes seem to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible tracks of the melody. It was like the wheels of the train fitting smoothly into rails and whistling along.
Yes, exactly, better. So, everyone, you will write this line, okay? You will write this. The line which suggests that music master played a very nice music is, then you will write this, okay? The music master's notes seem to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible tracks of melody. Next is, it was like wheels of train fitting smoothly. Okay, you can add next line also, but otherwise, okay, this much is, I think, fine. Okay, only this much till melody. Okay, so first answer is this. And last time I think we did 5 questions from comprehension check, page 22. That will be your 6th question in the notebook. Okay. Now, question number 2 is, had the beggar come to Rukumani's house for the first time? Give reason for your answer. Please raise your hand and tell me the answer. The question is, had the beggar come to Rukumani's house for the first time? If no, then give reason. Yes, Vaibhav?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, he has been coming here every day for the past week, and each time he found another house to beg from.
Okay, so he hadn't come to Rukumani's house for the first time. He had been coming there for a whole week. Okay, then give reason. He himself said, okay, let me ask Devang also. Yes, Devang?
He said that in his feet there are blisters so that he cannot walk and he sit under his veranda.
Beta, you have to give reason that he had been coming there for a week. This reason you have to give for a week. Which line shows that he had been coming there for a week?
Which line shows that?
Yes,
Ma'am, I don't.
line shows. Okay, so beta, here is the line. He himself said that. Okay, you will write this line. So let me underline it. In place of I, you will write he, and in place of have, you will write had. Okay, you can cut it. He had kept his body and soul together on generosity of what was the name, Rukumani, or you can say ladies, for a whole week. This line shows that he had been coming there for a week. Okay, so you will write no, he had not come to Rukumani's house for the first time. In fact, he had been coming there for a week. He himself said that. Okay, he himself said that. Then you will cut the words according to your sentence. In place of I, you will write he. In place of have, you will write had. Okay, so he himself said that he had kept his, not my, his body and soul together on their generosity for a whole week. Okay, so this is your question number 2, and in the notebook, this is your question number 7. Okay, now next one is, a sharp V-shaped line had formed between her eyebrows. What does it suggest to you about Rukumani's mood? Yes, please raise your hand. Other students also, please raise hand. Only Vaibhav and Chahek are raising hand. It's a V-shaped line between the eyebrows. What does it show? Very easy question. Anyone? Okay, tell me generally. Yes, Shubh. Generally, beta, when V-shaped line is formed, beta, between the eyebrows, when we are
Ma'am, Ma'am, she is very angry.
Yes, she is, yes, well done. So the a V-shaped line that had formed between her eyebrows showed that she was very angry. Okay, that she was very angry. So keep it simple. इसको इतना ही रहने दो इस आंसर को, ठीक है? This shows that she was very angry. Now next one. Next question you have to do on book, that is complete the following sentences. I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. Complete these sentences and let me know. After 1 minute, everyone will raise hand. You have to participate actively. These 5 sentences. I'm giving you time. 1 to 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
Tipped a few chilies over himself. Meow, he hollered.
He hold. Okay. So himself, till himself, it's correct. So first answer is the derailing of the train. Okay, going completely off track. This is your first answer. Second one is tripped a few chilies over himself. Okay. Now number three. Number three, Parul. Parul, number three, the teacher played a few notes on his violin and Lally dashed.
The teacher played a few notes on his violin and Lily stumbled behind him on her violin.
Okay, Lily stumbled behind on her violin. Okay, number four. Number four, Ruhani got turn. Aditya, yes, Aditya. Number four. The beggar said the kind ladies of the household.
Has fed his body and soul together on for a whole week, and he could not believe that they would turn him away.
Okay, fine. Okay, yes. So everyone, you can find out this line in the chapter and you can complete the sentence. Okay, next one is, let me mute all first. Wait. Last one, please. Anyone can unmute and tell me last, quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
After the lesson was over, the music teacher asked Lily if she had seen his
Chappal.
chappal.
If she had seen his chappals. If she had seen his chappals. Okay. Now I'm moving to questions, beta. This you have to do in books only. Now,
Ma'am,
next question. Beta, if she had seen his chappals. This is number 5. Okay, describe the music teacher as seen from the window. Tell me page number and tell me the answer. Yes, Devang?
मैम मैम जो सा थर्ड वाला एक बार उसका रिपीट कर दो क्या आंसर है
Lily stumbled, beta, stumbled behind him on her violin. Stumbled behind him. On his violin.
Fourth.
Fourth is, the beggar said that the kind ladies of the household are kind souls, and it was just because of them he could keep his body and soul together. बेटा ये आपको
जी,
चैप्टर
मैम।
के अंदर से मिल जाएगा, ठीक है, इजीली. You can do. Yes, Aditya?
मैम, मैंने इसको थोड़ा और लिखा है.
Yes, yes, you can speak.
Ma'am, the teacher played a few notes on his violin, and Lily stumbled behind him on her violin, which looked quite helpless and unhappy in her hand.
Yes, beta, you can add. You can add as many as you want. Okay, you can add. Well done. Okay, now question number 2. Please tell me page number and tell me the description of the music teacher as seen from the window. Raise your hand if you know the answer and lower your hand if you don't know. Jason, do you know? Okay, Chahek.
Ma'am, I know.
yes ma'am
Okay, Jasmine, after Chahek.
yes
you can-
ma'am it is on
It is
yes
on.
ma'am it is on page number 22
Okay, speak up, beta.
the music teacher played a few notes on his violin and Lily stumbled behind him on her violin, which looked quite helpless and unhappy in her hand.
Okay. Jason, do you know? Okay. It is on. Okay. Speak up, beta.
Yes, ma'am. It is on page number 22.
Okay.
The bony figure of he had mostly a bald head with a fringe of oiled black hair falling around his ears and an old-fashioned tuft and gold chain gleamed around his leathery neck and a diamond ring glittered on his hand as he glided up and down stem of the violin. This describes the music teacher.
Okay. So music teacher had bony figure. Okay, you can write this thing. The music teacher had bony figure. Then from here, he had mostly. Just wait. I'm going to underline it quickly.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
You can ask it out.
Ma'am, due to network connection, my second answer was not completed. Complete the following sentences. Can you please repeat?
Your second answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta tripped a few chilies over himself. Tripped a few chilies over himself. Okay.
Ma'am, on the second comprehension check, we all questions have to do in fair.
Yes, you all beta you have to do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So everyone, next question, please. Quickly, we have to complete these 7 questions also. So next question is, third question, 2 parts are there. What makes Mridu conclude that the beggar has no money to buy chappals? Why she just realized that? She realizes that he has no money to buy chappal. Why, beta? Yes, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Mm-hmm. And Adgun, you also get ready. Adgun.
Can I?
Who's speaking?
Ma'am, can I?
Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine, you can speak.
When the
Mridu concludes that the beggar
when the
has
beggar showed his feet to the children, they could see the blisters on them.
Okay, so beta, your question is in present tense, so write your answer in present also. Okay, so Mridu concludes with S. Mridu concludes that the beggar has no money to buy chappals because then you can write your answer in present tense. Okay, Adgun, your
Ma'am,
answer.
now can
Yes, Karthik. Yes, please. Then Adgun.
yes, ma'am. The Mridu conclude that the beggar has no money to buy chappal because she saw that the beggar has blisters on his feet, and in the hot sun he was unable to walk. So he realized that he has no money to buy
He
chappals.
realizes. Okay, so Karthik, write your answer, whole answer in present tense. Okay, remember.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So next answer, please. Yes, Adgun, next answer. What does she suggest to show her concern? Adgun.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Mridu was concerned about the beggar. She suggested giving an old pair of chappals to the beggar.
Okay, fine. Well done. Again, Adgun in present tense, beta. Does is written
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
question, na? So you have to write in present tense. So Mridu suggests with S. Okay. So Mridu suggests to give an old pair of chappal to the beggar to show her concern. Okay, well done. Okay, next one is question number 4. If you have missed anything, you can always just go back and you can just listen to the recording. Okay. Okay, next one is question number 4. What do you think Rukumani really wanted to ask? You can read the above lines and you can tell me answer according to the lines. The lines are, have you children? She began, and then seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly, seen anyone lurking around the veranda. So based on these lines, you have to make your answer. What do you think Rukumani really wanted to ask the children?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please.
Rukumani really wanted to ask the children that they have seen the pair of chappals or not.
Okay, if they have seen. Yes, okay. So Rukumani really wanted to ask the children if they have seen the music master's slippers or not. Okay. Okay. So next one is B part. Why did she change her question? Why did she change her question? Anyone? Yes, Adgun again.
Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
After Adgun.
Ma'am, she changed the question, finding the children serious and quiet. Ma'am, she became sure that the children had something to do with the chappals.
Yes, exactly. So did is written in the question. Now you will write your answer in past tense. Jasmine, now please speak up. Then I'll just conclude the answer again. Yes, Jasmine.
She changed her question because seeing the children so serious and quiet, she understood that the children definitely had something to do with the missing chappals.
Okay, fine. So all the students, you can just mix up the question of Jasmine and Adgun, and you can make your own answer. Okay. So she changed her question because the children were quiet. Okay, curiously quiet. Okay, and she was sure that they had done something with the chappal. She was sure that the children had done something with the chappals, or the children had hidden the chappal. You can write anything of your choice. Now, next is what did she think had happened? Yes, please, you can speak. You can unmute and you can speak. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am, can I?
yes, yes, Adgun.
Ma'am, she thought that the children would have hidden the chappal somewhere.
Okay, she thought that the children would have hidden the chappal or slippers somewhere. Okay. Next, Chehek, same answer. Chehek, you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you unmuted, Vita. Same answer you wanted to give?
Ma'am, yes, mostly same.
Okay, so Vita, she thought that, please mute yourself, please mute. She thought that children had hidden chappal somewhere. Okay? I think it's easy. You can make your own lines again. Jasmine, your answer?
Mom, ये नहीं मैंने किया वो.
Okay, fine. Okay, next question, number 5. On getting Gopu Mama's chappal, the music teacher tried not to look too happy. Why? Why do you think that? Why he pretended that he was not happy?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, I will start with Chehek, then Adgun, then Jasmine, then other students. You can also speak up. Yes, Chehek.
Ma'am, because he want to pretend that the chappals he firstly wore that they were new as he was lying, and that's why he wants to show that their chappals was new.
Okay, so he pretended. Okay, he tried not to look too happy because he wanted to show others that his original pair was more expensive, okay, than than the Gopu Mama's pair of chappal. Okay, he wanted to show that. Okay, now Jasmine, then Adgun.
Ma'am, after Adgun, can I speak the answer?
Yes, Vita, you can.
the music teacher tried not to look happy because he wanted to pretend that his chappals were
Papa?
valuable, although in the reality he liked the new chappals of Gopu's mama.
Gopu Mama. Okay, Adgun, then Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because music teacher's chappals were old, but he lied to Lali saying that they were brand new. Gopu Mama had hardly used his new chappals. Ma'am, the music teacher was happy getting them, but was trying to hide those feelings. He tried to show that he was upset with the children and with his loss.
Yes, well done. Yes, correct answer. So Karthik, yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. On getting Gopu Mama's chappal, the music teacher tried not to look too happy if because he inside his body he was very happy by getting the Gopu's Mama chappal, as the chappal of Gopu Mama's was very brand new and expensive also. and he tried not to look too happy so that nobody doubts him that his pair of chappals was not too expensive.
Okay. So that nobody could doubt him. Okay, well done. So yes, beta, I hope you now understood the. Yes, Harmeet?
On getting Gopu Mama's chappal, the music teacher tried not to look too happy because he wanted to pretend that his chappals were more expensive and brand new than Gopu Mama's chappals.
Yes, okay, fine. So everyone, you can club these answers. ठीक है, you can mix up these answers. जो जो आपको lines अच्छी लग रही हैं, you can pick that and you can make the whole answer. Okay. Now next one is on getting a gift of chappal, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in such a hurry to leave?
Ma'am, can I?
Who's speaking?
Can I tell?
I'm Jasmine.
Can I?
Jasmine, then
Can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Savya. Listen to me, please. Jasmine, then Savya. Okay. Yes, please.
The beggar was in hurry to leave after getting chappals because he knew that the children have got them for him without seeking the permission of elders. He feared they they might be taken back from him, so he left in hurry.
Okay, fine. Well done. Okay, next, please, Savya. I think it was Savya, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
On getting a gift of chappals, the beggar vanished in a minute because he knew that I was wrong and all the members of the house has known my name, so that's why he is in hurry.
Beta, instead of I and my, you can use the third person and change your answer in past tense. ठीक है, Savya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So he left in a hurry because he knew that the children hadn't taken permission from their parents. Okay, and he did not want to lose a pair of chappal. Okay, and it was hot outside, so he just vanished in a minute. Okay. So last question, next page. Walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, Rukumani began to laugh. What made her laugh? Show me thumbs up if you know the answer. Let me unmute all and then you can speak. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adgul.
Ma'am, Rukumani was laughing, imagining Gopu Mama without his chappals. He had the habit of taking out his shoes immediately after coming home and putting on those chappals. She laughed, wondering what excuse would she give to him and would be his reaction.
Okay, well done. Correct answer. Anyone else who want to speak? Anyone?
Ma'am, I.
Yes, Jasmine.
Ma'am,
Who spoke after
Rukumani was
Jasmine?
laughing, imagining Gopu Mama without his chappal. He had the habit of taking out his shoes immediately after coming home and putting on those chappals. She laughed, wondering that excuse would she give to excuse she give to him, and what would be
This
his
is the
reaction.
same exact copy, exact same answer. So of Adgun, I think Adgun and Jasmine both gave exactly same. I don't think so. There's a difference of even word. Okay, anyone else, please?
Ma'am, I want to add one line in the sixth answer.
I want one.
Yes, beta, sixth answer.
Ma'am, on getting a gift of chappals, the beggar vanished in a minute. He was such in a hurry to leave because he knew that he thought that they might take the chappal back from him, and after getting the chappal, they are of no use to the beggar. So he leave in a 1 minute.
Okay, so he left in a 1 minute. Okay, they were of no use. Okay, so everyone, so I think you understood all the answers. Now,
Ma'am,
just
I want to give question 7 answer.
yes, Jasmine, you can speak.
Ma'am, would you please repeat the 5th answer?
Yes, I will, beta. So, Jasmine, please, question number 7 first.
Woman was laughing, imagining the
Goku Mama, without his chappals, he had a habit of taking out his shoes and socks immediately from his work, putting on those chappals. She laughed and wondering how he would react on the entire incident.
Yes, okay, well done. So question number 5, I think someone was asking. So on getting Gopu Mama's chappal, the music teacher tried not to look too happy because he wanted to show other people that he liked his chappal more, okay? And his chappal was more expensive than Gopu Mama's chappal, okay? This is my answer. Personally, whatever comes to my, mind, I'm just speaking. So you can make your own answer, okay? Now someone was again speaking. Please tell me your name. Okay, fine. So I'm moving to the next beta, that will be your homework, next part. This if sentences, okay? Whenever you want to make sentence using if, then keep in mind one thing. Whenever if is written, please use first form. Then in the second one, use will. Okay. For example, first one, this one, beta. 1 minute, please. Let me take it. Walk fast, you will catch the bus. Okay? If you walk fast, you can read this better. If you walk fast, you will catch the bus. So you can see the structure here with if they are using first form of verb and then they are using will and first form of verb. Okay? Now second again. Don't spit on the road, you will be fined. If you spit on the road, again first form is there, then will or shall. Okay. Now try to make one sentence using if. First question. Don't tire yourself now. You won't be able to work in the evening. Show me thumbs up if you know the answer. Meanwhile, I'm just trying to take attendance. Yes, please. Okay. So who will make the sentence? Yes, Savya?
Yes, ma'am. If you tire yourself now, if you don't tire yourself now, you will not be able to work in the evening.
Beta, your first one was correct. If you tire yourself now, you won't be able to work in the evening. Okay? That was better.
Okay.
So if you tire yourself now, okay, you will not be able to work in the evening. Yes, who will make the second one? Study regularly, you will do well in the examination. Shubh, yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. If you study regularly, you will do well in the examination.
Okay, fine. Correct answer. Next, Gorish, number 3.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if you work hard, you will pass the examination in the first division.
Okay. And who will make this one, beta? B means in the lower classes you have done this. B means anyone. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if you will be polite to people, then they will also be polite to you.
Beta, in the one sentence you can use will. That is second sentence. In the first
Okay, ma'am.
sentence you have to make something else. आपको याद है हम एक बी करते होते थे लोअर क्लासेस में बी डू हैव what was the meaning of b means is am are was were
Itemar was were.
yes so if you are polite to people they'll also be polite to you okay so everyone please note down the answer so next is don't tease the dog it will bite you if you tease the dog it will bite you so now question number 2 is your homework and next page I think question number 3 on next page. So complete your notebooks and tomorrow, maybe or day after tomorrow, we'll start supplementary reader. Till now, you have to make the PDF of literature and you have to send me this book only. But first of all, honeycomb. Okay? Then we'll complete supplementary, then I'll ask for the PDF again. So it's 9:06. I hope you are not having any kind of doubt. Students were raising hand to give answer only. Quickly show me thumbs up if you have doubt. Quickly, please. We don't have time. Harmeet, yes, beta, quickly. And other students, beta, you can leave the meeting if you want. Yes, Harmeet? Let me unmute all. हाँ जी हरमीत.
मैम वर्ड मीनिंग शेयर कॉपी में लिखने हैं?
Not at all, beta. You have to learn directly from the book.
Okay,
मैम
thank you.
सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर कौन सी है?
बेटा योर सेकंड बुक, एक सेकंड बुक भी है.
मैम जो एलिन हैंड.
हाँ जी बेटा, एलियन yes, that one.
ओके मैम.
Okay, so anyone else, any doubt? Yes beta.
Yes. Ma'am, please repeat the fourth question, third part.
Can you speak the question please?
Yes, ma'am. What did she think had happened?